This is a full room tour of a balcony stateroom on MSC Meraviglia. Let's go take a look. So let's start with the room. I'm very happy to see that they don't have a spread out bed or a pull out bed from the sofa. They have a bunk bed that they pulled out of a couch.
See, these are the steps going up to the bunk bed. It does hide that nice little photo in the back. I know Hiz and Isa love it. I've never seen this before. Pops right out of the sofa, and then when you don't need it, then it pops right back in. Now you do need the stateroom attendant to come change this setting.
That's your mini fridge, which is also a mini bar. We had to get it unlocked by our room attendant. You do have a stool here for sit down, and if you want to do makeup, get ready. Now, here's one drawer that we found exactly a day after staying in the hotel. We had no idea this was a drawer. Next day, I was looking for the hair dryer, and I was forced to dig in and look for something because they said there was gonna be a hair dryer. So that's how we found the drawer. I wish there was more storage in the room because they do have some space here that could have been some extra drawers, and some space here which could have been used for some extra storage.
As we were putting our stuff away, that shelf, took all of our phones, but the knick-knack drawers for the kids, this just turned into a knick-knack drawer between our card games, cameras, sunglasses, and whatnot. I just wish there were a couple other drawers that we can, use to fill all of our junk in. Here's some of the outlets. It does have European outlets plus a USB here and a couple other American outlets, which we were very happy to see. If you need more than these, make sure you bring an adapter or an extension or multiple USB hub. The TV is on the small side and it doesn't tilt, so it's somewhat in the middle. Because we're using our sofa into bunk beds, if you're lying on the bed, you can't really tilt that TV to this direction. Here is our bed. This bed was not as comfortable to me. I also have a little bit back pain that just popped up, so last night was very tough.
I think I was okay. We were also exhausted, so I passed out, didn't feel anything. Now this is your typical cruise ship room setting. Two single beds rolled into a queen size bed. Bed is okay. The pillows were not so great.
These pillows they're soft, but not as comfortable as Royal Caribbean. On the side of the bed you have your switch lights. You also have reading lights.
Now from the design perspective, you can say this room is partially modern and parts of it are not so modern. Like for example, the bedding and the cushion and the couch look really old. The other furnishing, your artwork in the room is very modern. Like you have switch for make up my room, do not disturb. You don't have to put those magnets anymore that we have always done on a cruise ship.
You just turn the switch on and it shows whether you want do not disturb or make up my room. You have 3 hooks. We're using them to hang kids' bags and Alia's bag and hat.
Don't forget to bring some magnets so you can hang your important stuff on the walls because all the walls are metal.
Magnets.
So right next to the bathroom, you have a full-length mirror, which is of course a very good thing. Now you have 4 shelves. You have a small size safe, again good enough for us, 2 drawers, and some space for your shoes. Other side, you have plenty of hangers. There's another hanger that goes up and down based on whether you need it or not.
There's a tiny bit of shelf that we're using to store all of our backpacks. Good thing with any cruise ship is once you're done unpacking, you can take your suitcases and just shove them under your bed. That way your room looks nice and clean. What do you think of your bunk bed? Do you like it?
Yeah.
This is a pretty cool setup. For the kids, this is almost like their jungle gym, their home, going up and down, lying down. Isa, what do you think of your bed?
Love it.
Oh, he loves it. The reason we are saying this because if you have kids, you're going to get a bunk bed situation like this. If you get a balcony stateroom, Our kids love it, so I have a feeling that you guys will enjoy it too. From a space perspective, yes, it does have some space, but this is a smaller sized room. With this setup, it works. So this is the bathroom in the room. The bathroom, it's nice and modern. It's a little bit on the sterile side with clean walls. There's no artwork or anything on here. This is the toilet. There's a couple of towels on top. Some shelves where you can put your toothpaste and shaving cream and colognes and perfumes. Comes with a couple of cup holders. We have put some toothbrush and toothpaste in there. Now the sink is quite big. This is the largest cruise ship sink that we have seen. Comes with a soap pump. And this is your shower. The shower is nice and big. It's not your cloth curtain shower. It's glass. And it comes with soap and shampoo, a shelf. The shower pressure is fairly good. The cool thing is, this little piece, this whole shower piece, is sticking out into the hallway. I'm going to show you that in a second. So now you can see the bathroom. I just opened our door. That's the shower, and you're in the hallway. See this room, this corner, and this corner. That's your shower. And here's a full look of the bathroom with the shower, the sink, the shelves, and the toilet. It's small, but really good use of space. The one thing is it does not come with any wastebasket, so it's just toilet paper in the toilet. Alright, so this is the balcony. The balcony is fairly small. A little opening at the bottom. Here is the view from our balcony. A full recliner, an ottoman with a chair, and another chair on the other side. Not a lot of space, but enough to sit and enjoy a view. This was the full tour of a balcony stateroom at MSC Meraviglia. We got this room for $2,000 for a 7-day cruise, or actually 8-day cruise, 7-night cruise out of Brooklyn going to Port Canaveral, Nassau, Bahamas,
and Ocean Cay, their private island. For the price, I think we absolutely love the room. We're very excited to share the full ship tour with you and show you guys around.
But what she's really trying to say is, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to Hiz
Yes.
and Isa and come back and check out the full room tour. Until then, bye for now. We don't have interior rooms right across from us, but if I walk over to where the elevators are, we noticed, or Alia noticed, that the rooms are hidden behind this door. And here are the interior rooms. Now here's our bed.
Here's our bed. Okay.